If you've decided that you want a meal prep for more than a few days in advance, then obviously storage is very important. Let's start with the obvious, your food containers. Food storage containers are some of the most essential meal prep tools. If you're currently working with a cupboard full of mismatched containers with missing lids, you'll probably find the process pretty frustrating and disheartening. You may get away with using these containers for a couple of days, but if you intend to keep your food for more than a few days, it's well worth your time and money to invest in better quality airtight containers. Otherwise, you're putting the health of yourself and your family at risk. Airtight containers offer better protection and freshness. If you don't have a lot of space in your fridge or freezer, you can save space by using large resealable airtight plastic bags and squeeze out any extra air. This works particularly well for single serving sizes of chilies and stews. Simply run them under warm water and then heat them in the microwave or on the stove. On that note, make sure when you purchase these containers, whether you're using food bags or food boxes, you need to make sure that they are airtight, freezer-friendly, and microwave-friendly. Another increasingly popular container is mason jars because they can be so versatile. They work for salads, soups, oatmeals, smoothies, pasta, grains, meat, almost anything. They are also dishwasher and microwave safe, watertight and sturdy. They are great grab-and-go options. Lastly, don't forget to label your containers or food bags. Have you ever had the experience of opening your freezer and then wondering what you've stored because everything just looks pretty much the same? This is especially important if you store some of the meals or ingredients for a long time because it's so easy to forget. On the label, you should write what food or meal it is and the date that you prepared or stored the meal. As a rule of thumb, soups and cooked beans can last about 2 or 3 months in the freezer. Minced meat and cooked poultry can last about 3 to 6 months. Fruits like berries, mangoes, bananas, apples, and frozen vegetables like peas and sweet corns, cauliflower, they can last about 6 to 12 months. So there you have it. If you want to make your meal prep easier and faster, check out the stress-free cooking bundle at helenwong.co.uk/stress-free cooking. In the bundle, you'll find lots of quick and easy recipes like things that you can make with just one pot, easy healthy sauces and dips, no added sugar desserts, and air fryer recipes.